Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to import purchase credit notes in Xero. So for that purpose we'll come into the bills to pay option, and you can do the same from purchase overview also. So once you come here, you have to click on import bills. So simply you have to download one CSV from here, okay? CSV template from here, and you have to fill up the create note details into that CSV, and after filling up you have to import to Xero. Okay, so these are the fields which are mandatory: contact name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, quantity, unit amount. Here I have mentioned unit amount in negative because we are going to import credit notes. Fine. Then account and tax code. Now let me save this file and simply select this file to import. Now here there are two options. Would you like to update contact address details? If you want to do, then you can select the second option, yes. And if you don't want to do, then you can select the no. And if your unit amount is inclusive or exclusive VAT, then you can select accordingly. In my case, it is tax exclusive, and then confirm it. So you can see 6 new draft bill will be imported. Now complete import. Now as soon as you import, it will come into the draft category. Now you have to approve all the credit notes. Okay. And you have to do allocation also. So first of all, let me show you normal way. Let's open this credit note. Currently there are 6 credit notes. Fine. Okay, so as you can see, credit note all seems proper. If you want to delete or copy the credit note, you can do it from here. Now simply let's approve credit note. Once you approve, this display will occur. Okay, you can see allocation display. Now you have to allocate against particular bill. Now simply first of all, let me refresh this page. Now there are only 5 credit notes are pending. Now I'm just selecting all and approve. So all 5 credit notes come into the awaiting payment category. Here you can see. So what I can do here, I have to click on credit note, and here you will get allocate credit option. So I have to enter the credit note amount which I want to set off against the particular bill. Okay, so you can see successfully allocated against bill. So in this manner we can import credit notes in Xero, and we can allocate the credit notes in Xero. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that whenever you enter the data into the CSV file, it should be correct. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.